Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick look at this really awesome coffee maker, and then we're going to do a little brew with it. Now this can accommodate your standard K-cups, or you can even use this for your standard ground coffee because this comes with two different coffee cups. So you've got your like K-cup or like coffee capsule pod, and then you have this one here for your ground coffee, and it has this built-in mesh filter on the bottom. So this coffee maker is incredibly sleek and it definitely has a stylish design to it. And the absolute best thing is how compact this is. So on the back here, you have a removable water tank, and this can hold a max of 40 ounces, a minimum of 15 ounces. So such a great capacity here. So you're not having to fill it up every single time you want a cup of coffee. And it has a nice little lid. So that's super easy to get filled up and even clean when you need to. And then it has a really nice, simple front display. You have a few different options as far as brew sizes go. And it will even let you know when you need to add water and when it's due for cleaning. And all of this is touch controlled. Down here, you've got your simple power button, and then you have where you choose your size, and then you'll press brew when you're ready. Above that display is where you're going to place your K-cups and your ground coffee. So here's how the inside looks. And these very simply sit in place, and you just have to line up the little back notch. And then here is the ground coffee capsule. The bottom does have a removable drip tray, so this is also going to be super easy to clean and care for. So I'm just gonna get this filled up, just making sure not to go over that max fill line. So, I mean, look at how space saving that is. If you are in a smaller kitchen, or if you just simply don't want a coffee maker that takes up so much space, this is a perfect option. And I'm gonna be using a K-cup today, so I'm going to put that in the K-cup capsule. And we're gonna drop that inside and push the lid down. And we're going to turn that on, and then I'm gonna put it on the 8-ounce size, and I'm gonna tell it to brew. So in just a matter of minutes, you've got a coffee ready to go. So this is going to be perfect for early mornings. It's nice and hot. It did a great job brewing. So if you guys were looking for a compact and convenient coffee maker for single serve coffees in a range of sizes that can use K-cups or regular ground coffee, this is an impeccable choice. It's fast and easy to use. I would absolutely give this a try.